good people? RV here, and today we got something different. No funnies. Stretch effect. I'm pretty sure y'all seen me do this in a couple videos. We got a tutorial on how to do it. Let's go. Alright, so first, what you want to do is, first we about to delete this real quick. Alright, so first what you want to do is, you want to find the part that you want to freeze. Once you find it, you duplicate it, Control D, then you go to time, freeze frame, you drag it over, put it the right length you want it to be. Alright, so next, what you do is get the masking tool, the pen tool, and you want to mask around the subject. Just like this. It's not hard. I'm gonna speed up for y'all so y'all hear me. Alright, bet we done. Alright, so now it should look like this once you finish. Which looks stale, boring. We don't want that. So now what you first want to do is you want to get this refined soft matte. You want to throw it on there. That's what you use, the feather. Add the feather on the masking. You can smoothen it out however much you want to. I chose to do it that much. Alright, so next what you want to do is grab the CC scale wipe. You want to throw that on there. Make sure when you do it, make sure it's under the refined soft matte. Because if it's over top of it, it's going to look like this. And it's not going to come out right. So make sure you put it under that. Or you could pre-compose it, whichever one. Alright, so next what we're going to be doing is keyframing. We're going to be keyframing the scale wipe. So for this wipe, it's going to be going from left to right. So you keyframe it from the left side. Drag it over. Drag it over to the right side. Simple. After you do that, you want to easy ease the keyframes. Make sure you easy ease your keyframes. You get smoother transitions. You get smoother transitions when you easy ease your keyframes. So make sure you do that. Drag it up. And now it should look like this. Drag it back some. So now your transition should look like this, which looks better. But it's not finished yet. You see how we got it slided in? We want to add a transition. We want to add something that makes that scene that we're transitioning to pop out. So what we're gonna do is we could either add a hit. Got a hit right here, a hard hit right here. Cool right there. That's solid right there. You don't even gotta do nothing special. You can do that. Yeah. But we like doing special. We like special over here, man. So we about to go grab this double layer boom. Boom. You hear me? Get y'all on there. And now your transition should look like this. Turn me up some more. These niggas, they know I'm coming outside of the bag on side. Shit, that looks smooth, man. If y'all want to see more tutorials, make sure you like, comment, let me know how you feel. Let me know what you want to see next. Got a giveaway coming soon. Road to 1K subscribers on YouTube. Giveaway coming soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. Let's go.